Bree, look at Mama. Can you say, I love you? Bree, say, love you, Mama. Hey, yo. Say, I love you, Mama.
Hello, Mama.
Say, thank you.
Thank you.
Say, I didn't mean to. Say it again. Didn't mean to. What else can I get you to say? Can you say car instead of pizza? Can you say it fell down? Say it again clear. Bree, can you say it fell down? Bree, say it fell down. You're funny.